Welcome back to Modern Pulse, the hub for everything bold, fast, and stylish in the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into the breathtaking exterior of the 2025 Ferrari Roma, a car that blends Italian elegance with raw performance power like no other. First impressions matter, and the Roma makes one hell of a statement. Its sleek silhouette pays homage to Ferrari's grand touring legacy from the 1950s and 60s, but with a thoroughly modern twist. The proportions are pure artistry: long hood, short overhangs, and a flowing coupe roofline that feels like it's been sculpted by the wind itself. The result is a profile that looks like it's moving fast even when standing still. At the front, the Roma wears a distinctive shark nose grille, a design choice that separates it from the aggressive snarls of Ferrari's mid-engine siblings. Instead, it opts for sophistication, with body-colored elements integrated into the grille mesh, offering a seamless look that feels refined and futuristic. The LED headlamps are razor-sharp and minimalistic, tucked elegantly beneath a sculpted brow. Each line is deliberate, leading your eye naturally along the curves of the hood and toward the muscular fenders. Speaking of curves, the Roma's side profile is a masterclass in balance and proportion. Flush door handles and a smooth, uninterrupted beltline emphasize its aerodynamic integrity. The designers avoided any unnecessary vents or creases, letting the purity of form take center stage. And those stunning alloy wheels, up to 20 inches, come in a variety of finishes to enhance its personality, whether you're leaning towards sporty aggression or luxurious restraint. Around back, the Roma breaks tradition again. Instead of oversized diffusers and massive spoilers, you get a minimalist rear end that still communicates power. Slim LED tail lights float within the bodywork like jewel-like accents, adding a high-tech feel. The quad exhaust setup, paired with a functional rear diffuser, quietly whispers about the beast lurking beneath the hood. And if you look closely, you'll see the hidden active rear spoiler, which deploys at speed to enhance downforce without disturbing the car's elegant lines. Aerodynamics play a massive role in the Roma's design, even if they don't scream for attention. Air flows effortlessly through the carefully sculpted body, thanks to subtle features like the front air curtain and underbody channels. It's a design focused on efficiency and beauty, staying true to Ferrari's philosophy of form meeting function. Performance-wise, the exterior is not just for show. The Roma's lightweight aluminum body contributes to its agility and top-tier dynamics, helping it hit blistering speeds with grace. Ferrari has mastered the art of building a car that's as much about emotion as it is about engineering, and the Roma's exterior proves that tenfold. In a world obsessed with loud styling, the 2025 Ferrari Roma stands apart by being elegantly bold. It's not trying to shout, it's speaking with confidence and class. A tribute to Ferrari's history and a bold step into the future, the Roma is a rolling piece of design poetry. Thanks for watching Modern Pulse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what car you want us to cover next. Until then, stay driven, stay inspired, and stay pulse-worthy.